pull the door up. Now I'll go ahead and get those hinges installed real quick. My wife is now out here so she can help me put that center panel in. Won't be right now. You get 10 minutes. You get a 10-minute break.
Well, all right.
Give me long enough to get the get the hinges on the top part here. I'm gonna shut it down. Camera's getting really hot. All right. Well, the thing. I went back into this, and when I went to put, yeah.
She was right.
Well, that was something else. I asked her to give me a socket, and she said, "Well, there's 3 of them in here. Which one do you want?" And I just didn't think about, you know, the deep. There's a deep socket, and then there's a shallow socket, and then you have your 6 points, and then you've got your 12 point. So, yes, dear, you were right.
And you were wrong.
No, I was not wrong. I just didn't tell you exactly what I wanted.
I was right. You were wrong. That's how it works.
That's the way she works, black and white. Come to find out, this is adjustable. So this piece here is going to be on top, and you'll be able to adjust that. I didn't really have to pull the hinge off of here. All I needed to do is get a 1/2-inch socket and loosen that up, and then I would have been able to put that in that way. And of course I didn't see that till it was too late. So let's get this back up there. Okay, so in the office. So with that said, just so you have a recollection, see, you slide it up and down, and as soon as I get the other final panel in here, I can get it up and get it set, so when it shuts, it's going to push right up against that beam. Okay, here's the last step. Help me get it up here. Last string top. So with those two like that, I'll bring it down.
I'm done.
Huh?
Done.
You done?
Yeah, you're gonna keep my clothes and stuff. Come over here till I know you're gonna pinch my finger.
Make sure you drop that now so I can get it.
Again.
Thank you, dear. Can you come over here real quick and push it in here for me? Drop it down. I need it in here a little bit.
Pinch my fingers again.
Well, don't put your fingers in there. Whoa. Don't get carried away. Right there. No, push it a little bit. Drop a little bit more. Should be loose. Yeah. Just a second.
Yeah. Screw lined up here.
Okay, babe, thanks.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Alright. Other end over here.
Ollie!
These screws. We gotta go right. Let's see. Screw. Why that is missing a screw. Ow! Hinge wound up being too high and out of adjustment there. Alright, here we go. Yeah, I can even lock it. Okay, now it's gonna get my screws in there now. Screw it in. Live with me? Alright, now I need to get my singles in the middle. I don't know, am I out of singles? Might be out of singles. I need two singles to go in the middle. Singles are always in the middle. So, yeah. Singles are always in the middle. Okay. That's some over here. Come off to the other door. I did notice I had a couple of singles in the middle on one of them that actually had broken off hinges. So here we go. Got my two singles. Here now. That would complete the door. Freaking amazing. And then I just got to deal with finishing up, getting the tracks. Get the tracks set up. Okay. One more. Four. See now, remember I'm only using 5 count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. only using 4 panels because I only needed 8 feet, and it just happened to be a 10 by 10 door. And what happened was the bottom, it's like the bottom door here got bent really bad. So I guess I decided to buy a whole new door instead of replacing the panel. Just replace the panels. Hey, there we are. Right. Come on, right? You didn't have to worry about the bottom ones. Okay. I now have a door. Completely shut. Now I need to go up